First Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin.
All right, good afternoon. Here's the setup. High pressure has shifted to the north and weakened overhead here locally. That weakening is allowing downpours and storms, as well as various boundaries, to drop in through central Texas here, and this pattern should be with us through at least the middle of the week. So what it's going to mean is round of rain after rain, coming with very tropical air, which is very efficient at producing significant downpours, and that could lead to some flash flooding, and that's why there's a flood watch for most of the area until Thursday evening. As far as what's happening statewide, we're seeing signs of that high pressure weakening. Remember, when you've got high pressure overhead, the sinking air suppresses rain and storms and clouds, and as that high weakens, now we're seeing the showers and storms and clouds bubbling up more, and they're chaotic in their movement, these boundaries of one storm influencing where the next storm goes. So predicting exact locations of rain at any one time can be difficult a few hours out, even at least. But we are seeing the downpours growing in coverage out there now. We've got fairly scattered and more nuisance showers and storms, or beneficial, I should say, in parts of the hill country. No flash flood warnings here locally yet, but you've got some very heavy rain in portions of northern and central Burnett County now, including the city of Burnett. Here in the metro, this outflow boundary moving overhead likely going to knock the temperatures down by a few degrees. That's moving through Austin as we speak. Not producing a whole lot of rain with it, though. The highest rain coverage we've got now is in our eastern counties, especially in Fayette County, with very slow-moving downpours there, but portions of Caldwell, Bastrop, Lee, and Milam County getting it as well. In fact, just recently, within the last few minutes, downpours and some storms have been moving through the Lockhart area from our Kreitz Market camera. We've got some wet roads. So we've got scattered downpours and storms through the middle of the evening. And I think we've got a decent chance of some rounds of rain and storms overnight. The coverage may drop a little bit, but still the potential is there for some overnight rounds of locally heavy rain. Then as we head through your Tuesday, the rain and storm coverage ramps up. Even more of us seeing rain tomorrow than who saw rain today, with more rounds of rain Tuesday night. Maybe tapering off just a little bit in the overnight hours before redeveloping in the early morning hours of Wednesday, with more rounds of rain and storms expected during the day Wednesday too. So at least half of the area seeing rain tonight. Remember, just because the rain chances are not 100% doesn't mean that you might not get some significant downpours where you are, dropping down to 73. Overnight's flash flood threat is a 2 out of 4. Rain chances rise to 80% of the area seeing downpours and storms tomorrow. That'll knock the temperatures down into the low 80s with a mostly cloudy sky, and some concerning updates here this afternoon from the Weather Prediction Center, including now much of our southwestern counties in a level 3 out of 4 flash flood threat for Tuesday, and for parts of Mason and Gillespie counties on Wednesday. You can see as we drop through Thursday and Friday, rain chances go way down. So we're going to get the bulk of our rain tonight, Tuesday, Wednesday, and perhaps a little bit more on Thursday. How much rain through Thursday? Most of us get 1 to 3 inches, but the concern will be for both isolated higher totals over 4 inches and also our southwestern counties, which may end up in the 2 to 6 inch range and localized higher totals. Don't drive through flooded streets. Make sure your alarms and alerts are on so that they can wake you up in the middle of the night if need be. Here's a look at our First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Rain chances dropping to 40% Thursday, 10% Friday. Then we heat up, dry out, and the sun returns this weekend.